story, guys. You may realise or wonder why I'm on the oh Jesus, need to find out a couple of leaks. I'm on the wrong side of the vehicle, so underneath the actual engine. That's why, or because of why, sorry, I'm bloody tired. The alternator started sparking away, and it was the wires itself. So when I examined the wires, they were starting to get a little frayed and stuff, so it was about to catch fire. So that's not bloody good. Now, I realise it's where, now mind you, I'm not a mechanic in no way, shape or form. And yeah, it's actually where you put the wires or cables on to the kind of like arse end of a bolt on the alternator. The actual bit in the alternator is wiggly away, so it's connected half, connected half. Bloody hell. So it's kind of half connected. So I'm going to take the alternator out, and I got one little, I got bits of bobs of it out. I don't know if you can see it there. This little fella here. I'm trying to get this little nut out, and it just ain't happening for me. Because like the only access I have is down here for it, and I can only do half turns at a time, so you can imagine my frustration. Well, anyway, get it there. Right, show the rest of it in a sec. That was the little fella. That was so small. It's so bloody hard to get out. Right, got another wee bolt left. I'm taking a smoke break. Yummy. Oh god, this is so bloody annoying because this thing has eaten alternators. Like when I first got it, it lasted about a month. The van, when I first got the van, lasted about a month before the alternator gave out. Bought another one. Happy days, which is kind of hard to find for a 1994 Transit now, but got one nonetheless. A month later, after putting that in, it was the back bearing on the fucking back bearing on that alternator seized, so it was like not moving the cogs at all. So yeah, that was fucked up. So I had to take that out. Got another one off, and I didn't have to pay for that one. Thanks very much, man. And yeah, so this is the this is the third one actually putting in, and now that's giving out. So like, I'm usually quite partial to pizza. Some people are quite partial to Chinese's. Ford Transit engines, quite partial to fucking alternators. Now, see if we got this going. Oh, that was easier than that. Good Transit. Oh shit. Disconnect the battery first, guys. Holy crap. Okay, something started sparking there because I stupidly, me being an idiot, left the battery terminals on when I was dicking around with wires. So that's very smart of me, isn't it? And I didn't see any sparks. I just, you know when you hear the sparks. Right, give it another go, shall we? Oh, come out, you little whore. Dropping everything. Got it. Am I missing something here, or something's gone wrong? Right, let's go. Might need some leverage. Come on. Oh, got it. That's the bad boy there. That's the problem I'm having there. Where is it? Yeah, it's this one. That little screw there. Everything was just sparking around, but the whole screw thing is loose. So what I'm gonna have to do is take it off at the back here and have a wee look. Okay, just hear me out here. I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll find out. Now the problem is this fella here. That's right. When the wires were in, you can see the connector there. When the wire was in, because the whole thing was loose, it was sparking on, off, on, off, on, off, they're constantly on. I think that's why anyway. But okay, what I'm planning to do is, because I can't get that off, because in order to get the whole bracket off, you take that little nut off, that one at the top, and pull them out. Now, this is a long shot, but what I'm hoping, if I extend my wires at the coming from the loom that go into the alternator, So if instead of putting the other wires there, if I follow it, take this nut off, connect it there, because that's where the connector is. That's just an extension. I hope it's an extension. I'm just really, I don't know what the feck I'm doing, but we're going to give it a shot anyways. I've extended the wires. I'm going to bring it down here, connect them onto that, and just tighten it from there. Now will it work? Probably not. Right guys, back again. Right, I have joined, that was the original, oh sorry, I don't see it there, that was the original wires there. It was very short, but I managed to join it, come here, onto a bigger wire with my favourite tape and a couple of other things. So that's a bigger wire. I've a lot of fucking, oh what's the word? Basically it's just a fucking extension to it. So I've done the same to the other one. So pretty much the exact same. So I've done them two. So I've joined them two on, basically extended the wires. So now, put it back in, plug it in, get a battery back because my battery's dead. Yeah, let's see if it works. So, as you can see, I'm in the van still, and it worked. Like, show you what I told you what I did earlier. Like, it's working again properly now. Have them in there. Seems to be fine. I just need to tighten the belt so it's a little loose. You can hear now. Squeaking away. But other than that, I got it.